Let's learn LaTeX MiniChapter 5. Today, let's see how to introduce subfigures into your LaTeX document. When you want to insert a number of subfigures under a given heading, then along with the package GraphicX, you have to include the package use package subcaption. Thereafter, similar to inserting a single figure, here we need to begin figure for subfigures as well and use the command centering. Thereafter, we insert the first subfigure with begin subfigure option, and here I have provided the text width of 0.45. Again, centering followed by the include graphics command, the width and the name of the image which you have to upload in this folder, followed by the caption and the label. Close it by the end subfigure command. Then you can begin the next subfigure. Similar set of commands, just do not forget to change the file name here. Thereafter, close the entire command set by the end figure command. Now, recompile, and here you have both the subfigures arranged side by side. You can include more figures under the same category. I hope this video was insightful. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, like and share. And stay tuned for more videos on upcoming LaTeX tutorials on this channel. Bye.